You're running an edtech startup now. Quillo is also in the education space. What is it about education that draws you? Why Quillo?
So the first time around was just because I wanted to build something. I never knew I was passionate around education when I first came to it. What ended up becoming apparent as I started building Quillo, and I saw in myself how much I ended up learning by actively creating something I was passionate about, how much more effective my learning became when I recognized certain techniques and strategies. I saw how many shortcomings there were in the modern education system. And I was like, okay, there's a huge gap here, and there's a huge problem that can be solved. And I have the knowledge, or I believe I have the knowledge to solve this. That's one. The second one, and probably more importantly, is it's just deeply meaningful in that the only thing we have as humans is our mind. The way we experience life and anything within its contents is through the lens of our mind. So if we are eating food, that's through the perspective of our mind. If we're hearing information on the TV, it's through the perspective of our mind. If we're thinking about what a friend told us or what we want to achieve or be, it all comes from thinking and thoughts. And these are informed by our education. Our thinking is informed by how we learn, is informed by the content that's in our brain. And that defines everything. It defines how happy you are, how sad you are. It is the most important aspect of life, in my opinion, because everything you end up experiencing happens through that lens. And so education became incredibly important to me because education is then the mechanism or tool in which we're able to change our minds, in which we're able to upgrade ourselves and look at new problems in different ways or different perspectives. And so I want to have that kind of positive impact on myself in the process of doing this, as well as on others, the students that I teach, the parents we interact with, and broader society as we build this company.